Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tool like Extrude, Pocket, Counterbore Hole, Mirror, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here are the steps and the dimensions for this drawing. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Next, activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Start by sketching the two circles at the origin. Now, sketch a rectangle. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Constrain and assign dimensions to the sketch. Constrain the rectangle symmetrical to the horizontal axis. The basic sketch profile is full constrained. Now, sketch the cutout profile on the horizontal axis. Remove again unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Next, constrain the sketch and add the missing dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. Set the length to 80 millimeters. Now, add a fillet with a radius of 16 millimeters to the edges. In step 2, we sketch the slot profile and remove material from the created part with the help of Pocket tool. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the center points of the slot and the symmetry axis and then the symmetry tool. Extract the reference edge and then convert it to construction line. Now, the sketch is fully constrained and close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Let us correct the fillet radius to 16 millimeters. In step 3, we create the Counterbore holes with a diameter of 8 millimeters. The hole head has a diameter of 16 millimeters and depth 6 millimeters. Select the fillet radius edges and then activate the hole tool. Select the option Counterbore head type and the depth type through all. In step 4, we sketch the position for and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool, and then we add a fillet to the side faces. First, we create a plane 49 millimeters above and parallel to the XY plane. Select the plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the centered rectangle and then sketch a rectangle 28 by 50 millimeters. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option up to shape. Next, we add a fillet to the front and the rear edges. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 5, we sketch the position 5 profile and then we extrude and mirror it about YZ plane. Select this face and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch a slot on the vertical axis. Constrain and dimension the geometries. Remove the lower half circle and then sketch a line to connect the endpoints. Next, sketch a circle with a radius of 13 millimeters. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 16 millimeters. Now, we create the mirror part on the left side. The first step is to copy the sketch and paste to the body. Move the new sketch under the body. Now, we change the location of the new sketch. Means moving the sketch 28 millimeters to the left. Select the moved sketch and activate the Extrude tool. Change the direction and set the length to 16 millimeters. Next, we mirror the last 3 pads about XY plane. Select the pads and the fillet and then activate the mirror tool. Choose the option Base XY Plane. Click OK to confirm. The last step is to create the rib with a thickness of 12 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Now, extract the reference edges. Hide the solid part and convert the reference edges to construction lines. Next, sketch the triangle profile according to the drawing. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. Set the length to 12 millimeters. Now, we mirror the created rib about XY plane. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.